After more than 30 days of testimony, Karen Read's fate will soon be in the hands of the jury.
And closing arguments are set to begin later this morning. NBC 10's Manoj Kongwari live outside the courthouse in Dedham. So Manoj, this is the last chance. Both sides have to make their case as to how John O'Keefe died.
Simply put, this is the biggest day of the trial so far. Despite more than 200 pieces of evidence and testimony from nearly 50 witnesses, Karen Read's defense team has one more chance to try and convince this jury that she is not guilty of backing into and killing John O'Keefe in front of a Canton home 3 years ago. Right now, Karen is facing second-degree murder, manslaughter while driving under the influence, and leaving the scene of a crash resulting in death. Those are charges that could land her decades in prison, if not life. Each side will get 1 hour and 15 minutes to deliver their closing statements that are set to be presented as soon as court gets underway. In fact, Judge Beverly Cannone has asked the jury and the lawyers to arrive early and expect to stay until 5:30 p.m. For perspective, this entire trial, she has been dismissing them around 4. But the hope today is to begin deliberations by this afternoon. It's why yesterday, without the presence of a jury, the prosecution, defense, and judge resolved last-minute motions, adjusted the verdict slips, and created the jury instructions. It was also revealed that the defense can't argue that other people are responsible for John's death. Instead, they plan to argue that police did not do a thorough job during the investigation, nor did they turn over every stone to make sure there were no other possible suspects. 8:45 a.m. is when everyone is being asked to be in place, and then closing statements will begin at 9. For right now, we're live here in Dedham. Manoj Kongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Closing arguments could begin as early as 9 this morning. We're going to bring you those live here on NBC 10 Boston, on NECN, and our YouTube page as soon as they begin. Then we're going to recap everything that happened tonight on Canton Confidential.